The term family size in demography refers to total number of persons in a family, total number of daughters in a family, total number of adults in a family, total number of children a woman has born at a particular time. So, which is the correct answer? In the context of demography, the term family size specifically refers to the total number of children a woman has born at a particular point in time. This is crucial in demographic studies as it helps in understanding the fertility patterns of a population. This metric provides insight into the reproductive behavior of population and can be used to forecast population growth, which in turn has implications for planning in areas such as education, housing and health. So the correct answer is D, the total number of children a woman has born at a particular time.